The Asia-Pacific region is one of the fastest-growing markets for digital infrastructure. To serve it better, Subzero Engineering is expanding its global reach with a new manufacturing and R&D center in Vietnam and a sales and service hub in Singapore. From cloud adoption to AI-driven workloads, APAC's data center demand is growing faster than ever. Our regional presence brings Subzero closer to customers, enabling faster delivery, local innovation, and responsive service across this dynamic market. Our new Ho Chi Minh City facility is more than a factory. It's a center of excellence. Here, we manufacture hot and cold aisle containment, our proprietary aisle frame system, and advanced airflow management technologies. It also houses dedicated R&D teams focused on high-density computing and sustainable design. Complementing this, our Singapore office strengthens our commercial presence. Located in a global business hub, it ensures world-class sales, service, and customer support across Asia. By investing in Vietnam, Subzero Engineering is tapping into the region's incredible growth and the strength of its skilled workforce. The facility will create more than 50 professional roles in engineering, software development, and technical design. Knowledge-driven careers that fuel innovation and global excellence. To build on this commitment, we're partnering with leading universities and technical institutes. These collaborations provide internships, training programs, and long-term career pathways, cultivating the next generation of engineering talent across the region. Sustainability is built into every part of our operation. Our Vietnam facility runs on renewable energy and advanced efficiency systems, aligning with Subzero's global environmental goals.
Setting up in the Asia-Pacific region made complete sense. Not only did it give us a regional presence that helped shorten our supply chain and lead times, but it also allowed us to react on a one-on-one basis with our customers for collaboration and innovation.
Vietnam is central to our long-term regional capability and resilience. It's our APAC manufacturing anchor. Central location, skilled workforce, and strong trade access.
Sustainability is core to who and what Subzero are. Not only is it important for our environment today, but also for our futures.
Our global teams share insights instantly. For example, a solution in Singapore benefits Sydney immediately.
From North America and Europe to Asia Pacific, Subzero Engineering now delivers on-the-ground expertise with a truly global reach. Our APAC expansion marks a major milestone in building the future of intelligent, energy-efficient data center infrastructure. Subzero Engineering in APAC, advancing the next generation of data centers through innovation, sustainability, and people at the center of progress.